We're on our way, 3 hours in.
How much miles with it? What's the miles
per gallon?
Smiles per hour.
Let's just restart that. 11. Colorado. ZCON has started. We've unloaded the trailer, got the car parked. I'm a one-trip kind of girl, so this is all the shit for the week.
Yeah, because it's like I'm over here struggling with your struggle bus to film it. Look at this, guys. She's got 1.5 million bags. We're here for 5 days. How many jackets did you bring?
I don't know. Let me in, please.
Somebody, please, anyone. I think it's definitely a pole. I'm glad I was recording. Finally, we made it.
We're here. So here we are in Colorado. We made it to the hotel. Tomorrow we are going to Pikes Peak, 8 a.m. We're meeting some people down there at 7:30 at the bottom of the hotel and cruising up together. First time to Pikes Peak, so I'm super excited.
6 hours later.
Hey, good morning. Right now we are in line to go up to Pikes Peak. We're at the host hotel for ZCON and I'm super excited.
Excuse me, senor. It is not ole ole. No, see. It is only one ole. Like this.
Yeah.
We made it to the top of Pikes Peak for about 30 seconds because my media man is a little bitch and got a little altitude sickness. So now we're just down not very much further to have him feel better and filming this. And it's just absolutely beautiful up here.
Someone's like way up there.
Guided Breathing by Melissa.
I can't.
Eric, you must keep a straight face with guided breathing from Melissa.
Three hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.